Welcome to Mona Tutorials. In this session we will be looking at Mona Create, a new tool to add and modify assets and artifacts in Mona. First we will look at signing in and choosing a space. Then we will look at navigation before moving on to adding and modifying assets. We will finish up with saving, loading, testing, and publishing your space. Let's jump in. First you need to load Create in browser. Create is a different address than the Mona platform, so make sure to go to the right address linked below. You'll need to sign in with your MetaMask or Wallet Connect wallet. Make sure that you have connected this to the Mona platform beforehand. Once you are logged in, you can select a template space or a Mona space you have on your wallet to start building with the available asset library assets, primitives, or wallet-based GLBs. Note that it will take a moment to load the entire space, so if there is a lag at the beginning, just keep looking around until this clears up. Use the mouse movement and right mouse button to look around. Use W to move forward, S to move back, A to move left, and D to move right. If you hold Shift while moving, you'll move faster, and use Q to move down, and E to move up. At the top left, you have a range of options from settings and controls through to reporting a bug and feedback. You can also easily access the docs from here and change to a different space with the space selector as well. At the bottom right, you have the panel icons. To the left, we have the inventory panel. Next to that is the load, save, and publish button. Then the toolbar and asset inspector, the add assets panel, and the quick help guide. The quick help guide has the introduction, controls, and features at the top for more information. To add an asset into the space, select the library, primitives, or wallet icon in the Add Assets panel. Select the asset you would like to add to the space. To best find the asset, use the location tool or use the F key to focus on the added or selected asset. You can then position, rotate, and scale the asset with the respective tools in the toolbar. You can use each axis individually, dual axes, or use the center to modify all axes. You can use Ctrl-Z to undo the last action. Do not use Ctrl-R to redo, as that will refresh the browser. Use the Primitives or Wallet tab to add other assets as needed. You can enable and disable assets in the inventory, toolbar, or asset inspector with the eye icon. You can duplicate assets in the same locations with the duplicate icon, and you can delete assets as well with the bin icon. Note, a confirmation dialog will pop up on deleting assets. In the Properties panel in the Asset Inspector, you can modify the position, rotation, and scale manually. If you select the Details section, you can update the title, artist, description, and website on the asset. You can do this on any selected asset in the space or the inventory. Once you have finished your updates to the space, you will need to save it in order to playtest or publish the space. Select the Load Save icon at the bottom right and enter the save name of your space at the top of the panel. Select Save in order to save the space. You can then load the space to continue your edits later with the Load button. You can playtest the space to see how the space works within the Mona ecosystem. You can delete the space if it is no longer wanted. Note that saving the space does not send the space to your wallet directly. You would need to publish the space for this to happen. You can do that to the right of the panel. Once published, you can preview and share your link with others, much like you would with any other Mona drafts created in Unity. Thanks for watching, and happy building!